is burning so bad. We're gonna have a good ass. We have Mingle and Shebo. We have Mingle and Shebo. Wait, you're not recording. You're recording. Wait, turn around. They're not. You're not recording. You're still not recording. No, he's not.
Which one's Jack? I can't see. You. Tyler wants you.
Tyler! Dude, Tyler's running a vector. Move.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Are they down here? They're right here. Roger. Watch out, Mingle. They're by those barrels. Mingle. You just go. I'll cover. Bang, 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 bang. You're dead. You're dead. I'm going pink. Cover me. I'm going pink. Roger, I'm going pink. I'm going pink.
Oh, they're not friendly.
Friendly! Friendly!
They're not friendly.
I don't have any sights.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Look, I'm rushing.
Let's go under. I'll cover if you go. Guys, put fire down. He's gonna go. Let's go. We'll get a bunch of them. Just be sharp. Be sharp.
Hey, what if I go around? Hey, don't leave.
Brady, this is a good game right here.
They're all walking.
Hang down. Dude, this is operator as fuck.
I don't even think one of their teammates.
Take it up. This is so good.
They're shooting at us.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, cover.
Lights off.
What the fuck? Move. Get over there. I got it, Marco. Hey, I'm going with these.
Roger.
Hey, that one of them big guys?
No, nobody's good on this side.
I'm going with these. They're gonna get it.
Ethan! Come here. Come here. Alright, just cover me. Somebody come down here with me. I got a good spot. What? Dang it, I'm getting a lot of kills. your gun? Oh, my bad. I don't have anything. Sorry. Ethan. Ethan. Brady. Guys. Guys. Guys, I'm on truck. Hey, Ethan, Brady. Hey, come here. Truck. Watch out, watch out. Stay low. They're in blue house. They're in blue house. We're dominating this game. Blue house. Just stay low. Harris, we can't have 3 people up here because you're blocking the entrance. Stay out and watch the pink house. Make sure no one comes that way, alright? Alright, thanks. 6 o'clock. I'm covering. Brady, cover. You're 12. Just keep covering 12. Hey, is Ethan and them still up there? Yeah. Alright. Ethan! Where's your... What? What? Ethan, what do you want? Ethan, what do you want? Oh. We're gonna capture the flag?
Yeah.
Oh shit, go, 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 go. Go get it, we gotta rush. Guys, keep rushing. Somebody. Hey, Friendly! 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 Oh my god. Stop shooting me if you're gonna shoot me. I know, but you gotta keep shooting me if you know you hit me once. God. Yeah, I know. God. I'm just kidding. You aren't on our team anyway. Was that guy friendly? No, I'm a non-ban.
You're a non-ban, that's why you're wearing ban?
Oh shit. That's so confusing. We had your team pinned down though.
Yeah, that's why you come in the back and didn't call us.
What? Huh.
I ended up switching teams when I got back there because y'all were about to get swapped. But I didn't shoot. My bad.
We raped. Dude, we had y'all's team
What?
like fucking. We were destroying.